Hi friends, in the previous video we have seen about the iterators concept in the ES6. Now in this video we will write one of the custom iteratable object so that whenever you are using the for loop, so this custom iteratable object will be executed. Let's see one example for the custom iteratable object. Okay, so now what I am trying to do is I am trying to remove this all the code. Okay, I will create one object. Let's say old one only like this person. I have named as Leela. Okay, so now what I will be having is I will try to create my custom iterable. So that means custom iterable, how I can write symbol dot iterator. So we can use person of symbol of iterator like that also, but in the object only I am writing like this. Okay, it will be having one function. Okay, now what it will return? It will return an object, and in this object what it will do? It will be having one next. Okay, so this object will be having, it is an array iterator, it will be having next, and this function, it is also a function, and this one will be having return done of false or something, and I will return value as 10. Okay, so this is a basic iteratable thing, so don't think of this all the things, you will be get accustomed. This is small but easy only. This is nothing but the syntax of the iterator. So here what we are trying, we are writing a function, and this function is returning the array iterator. Array iterator is nothing but it will consist of only one property of next, and next is a function which consists of two values, done and value. Why? Because the done and value is checked by this for loop. So this is the function. Okay, right now what I will try to do is I am having one hobbies. Okay, so I can have this one as sports, okay, and cooking. Okay, so I am having hobbies as a property, and I am having an array of hobbies. Now what I will try to do is whenever the person whenever the user wants to loop over this person iterator, wants to use this iterator, so let's return the now hobbies, total hobbies. Let's return. So what I will try to do is I will try to create this hobbies in the here. I will try to save this hobbies here. Okay, what I will try to do, I will keep I is equal 0. It's a some simple logic only, no need to worry. So hobbies, I am taking this dot hobbies, I am storing in variable, and here I will be trying to send this one. So for example here, if I is greater than hobbies, okay, I is greater than hobbies dot length, then return true or otherwise false. Okay, now here I will try to send hobbies of I. I'll try to send hobbies of I, and here I will try to do I plus plus. Simple logic only. What I am trying to do, I am taking all the hobbies. In the next function, I am incrementing the I, and I am sending that if I is greater than hobbies dot length. So if it reaches the length of the hobbies, so it's just done as true. So that means completed, and return the hobbies of I. So now what I will try to do, I will try to loop over let value or hobby, anything, whatever the thing you want. Okay, person, and what I will try to do, I will console.log, I will do the hobby. Now let's see what could be the output here. If I see the output, I am getting cooking and undefined. Why I am getting undefined? Here hobbies, we have assigned this into the hobbies, and I have initialized the I is equal to 0. In the next, I am checking the length and hobbies of I. Okay, fine. So here I am incrementing that one before using this. So what I can do is I can store this in the before incrementing, I will store this value in this one, and I will send this value to here. Okay, let's check the output again. Now I got the sports and cooking. See, if I use this as an in operator, I will get the properties only, name and hobbies. These are the name and hobbies is present. But if I do the off is nothing but iterator. So when I am trying to do the iterator for this object, now symbol dot iterator will be executed, so that we are writing our custom logic for this iterator. So if I try to run here sports and cooking, I am getting. If I remove this one, for example, if I remove this all symbol dot iterator, and if I try to run, off will not be work. Why? Because object doesn't have the iterator thing. So object will be, it's not an array, it's not an iterable. So I am adding the functionality, iteratable functionality for this one, so that when you use the for loop, this iterator functionality will work. I think now you got the exact use of this iterators in the here. So whenever you want to apply iterator, you want to add a iterator functionality to any object or any variable or anything. So you need to use this symbol dot iterator. If you remove this symbol dot iterator, so what we have seen, for off loop will not work. Why? Because there is no iterator present in this one. So array has a default iterator. We have overridden the iterator for in the previous video, but here we have added a new custom iteratable for an object, so that whenever we use the for off loop, we can each time this one will be executed. So in this scenario, we are printing the hobbies, total hobbies we are trying to print. So now if I try to run, I am getting the sports and cooking. So this is the concept of iterators in the ES6. So in this way, we can add the custom iterable functionality to the any variables or any objects or anything. So if you have any doubts or any suggestions, please post the comment to this below video. And if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.